Okay, good morning there, friends and subscribers. Today I'm going to be trying out the Supco Super Boost relay and hard start capacitor, which claims to increase compressor torque 500%. That's quite a claim. So the tornado warnings have passed. I'm going to take this bag, jump up on the roof of the toy hauler, or what I like to call my new home, and rip the cover off the AC unit and install this little bugger. And apparently all you have to do is connect it to the COM and HERM, and the wires don't matter how you put them on. According to this package, that's all the instructions you get. And I want to thank Bobby Woo, one of my subscribers, Bobby Woo, for turning me on to this and linking a video to it. I'm doing this so this energy-hungry Coleman, I believe it's a 15,000 air conditioner on this unit, will run off my little Harbor Freight 2500 watt Predator generator, because that thing runs really good and doesn't use a lot of fuel. Now I've got a 7500 watt generator also, and a 5000 watt Onan, but they like the fuel. That's why I like that little inverter generator. It runs up good. Alright, I'm going to go up on the roof and I'll show you the install. Then I'll fire up the little generator, and see if this does the trick. Because prior to installing this, it would not turn on the air conditioner. It would go, a red light would come on and it would go into error mode. And I'm also out here swapping out these incandescent light bulbs for these LEDs like I have in the High Dollar Hobo camper. Alright, I'll be back in a minute and I'll show you how to put in the Supco Super Boost hard start capacitor. I'll be back. Okay, I hope I'm catching this. The sun's blinding me. The Super Boost is installed. I took the wire with the extra little finger, bent it over, and hooked it to the red wire on the run capacitor, which is the tall one. So now I'm going to put the cover back on, and then put the white cover back on. Go down inside, fire up the generator, let it warm up, and we're going to give it a test. This was real easy to do. I've heard pros and cons about these working or not working, so I guess we're going to see. Okay, be back in a little while. Okay, here's your update on the Supco hard start capacitor. 87 degrees outside. The AC is running. I'll get into that in a minute. Vents are starting to cool down. Got 61 degrees in the bed area, front bedroom. This is the shortest run, right under the air conditioner. It's in the 50s. Now, the tail of the tape. That hard start capacitor made absolutely no difference whatsoever. I've already done it twice. I'm not going to do it again. As soon as I turn the switch on, that goes right into overload and it idles back down, and they got to shut it down. So that air conditioner up on that roof is way too much for that little generator, and it's draws a lot of juice. That's all there is to it. And again, the Atwood air conditioner that I bought specifically because it turned all the fans on and the air compressor on for the AC unit independently, one at a time. This Coleman unit does not do that. Everything turns on at once. So the hard start capacitor was a fail. I guess I'll just leave it in there. AC is running fine, but it did not work with this generator. It's just not going to do it. So there it is. The Supco hard start kit was a total fail as far as my 2500 watt inverter goes. So that's it. Now I know. Went up on the roof and got dirty and sweaty for no reason. Luckily the sun wasn't out. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's the end result. Like I said, I'm not going to turn that generator on again. It's already kicked out twice and it's not going to do it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody. If you're going to try to run a big Coleman AC unit off a small generator, this is just probably not going to happen. Get an Atwood AC unit like I did. Alright, bye-bye.